Hey everybody! So I was playing around with this mold and I figured out that you can make the cutest hat, which really speeds up the whole decorating process because all that it leaves to decorate is just the face. So that's what this tutorial is going to show you how to do. So first things first, you're going to need the file. I put the link in the comments as well as the description, and you're just going to click on it, and then it's going to download the image right to your computer. Now, I would normally link where I got it from. I have no idea where it came from. I worked on this tutorial over the summer, and by the time I got around to making a video, I could not find it. So anyways, download the link, then you're going to go and you're going to upload the image to Cricut Design Space so that you have that image to work with. So on this image, we're going to upload it. I just chose simple because I'm just clearing out the inside pieces so that we can fill it in with our own pattern. So once yours looks like this, you can click that preview cut image and it'll show you if you did it right. I'm going to save it just as a cut image because I don't have any colors or anything to worry about. And just ignore all my warnings. I probably need to update my Cricut or something. So I add it to Canvas. And then now it's going to look like this. And my computer is a little slow. Sorry, guys. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to make sure it's set to cut because that way we can do what's called a contour. So this is going to show all of the different pieces of the image. And the only ones that I want to save are those 3 pieces of the hat. So once you've clicked on those, make sure you click that bigger piece at the top to get rid of the background, and then yours will look just like mine. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a copy. Right now everything that's black is all going to be the same pattern, which we don't want. We want to have 2 different options. So I'm going back to that contour, and then I'm just going to make sure that I have the fuzzy parts clicked, but not the top part of the hat. That way they can be different colors. So now, before I delete the fuzzy parts on this piece, first I want to do what's called an offset. So that's what's going to make the puffy part that goes around your image. So you can play around with sizing to kind of see what looks nice. I just did a 0.1 inch on this one. And then you're just going to hit apply, and then I'm going to change the color of it so that it makes it easier to see the difference between the 2 of them. So now that this is ready, we're going to make sure we flip it horizontally. That way when we put it into the mold, it's facing the right way. So do that on both. And now you can go back to contour and you can delete the fuzzy parts of this hat. That way we have our 2 different pieces. And then you can take the hat piece, you can put it in a spot that looks good to you, and then we're going to want to make sure that we change all of these settings to print and cut. That way we can add patterns and things like that. So now I just need to change this one to print then cut, and then this is the one that I like to add patterns to. So here's what a green pattern looks like. You could also change the background outline to be a different color. I decided to make the green just a little bit bigger so that it pops a little bit more. Then you're going to want to make sure you attach them because it's so annoying when they move around. Here's the different sizing that you'll want to use. And then like I said, you guys, I made the cardstock a long time before I made the tutorial, so I couldn't find the exact same one that I used, but it's a pretty close enough fit. You guys shouldn't have any issues with it. So then this is where the fun part starts. You can really do any kind of pattern and color combo that you want. I just went and searched red glitter, and then I just saved one of these kind of stock photos to use on mine. And so then I'm just going to go in and I'm going to upload it as a pattern fill so that then I can fill my hat with the red glitter. And then there's tons of websites that do different seamless. Etsy offers them. I really like Creative Fabrica. They have a cheap subscription that gives you access to a lot of things. And I link Creative Fabrica below too if you want to use my link. That gives me just a little bit of a referral since I'm sending people their way. So once you've decided on the combo that you like, make sure that you flatten it. Otherwise it will cut out all of those pieces. Then you can cut it out, you can bake it into your mold, and you'll have your nice cute Freshie. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, then leave a comment, like, subscribe. All of those things help bump up my YouTube videos so that more people see them. Thanks so much, guys.